the first video I have explained you about basics of Python and applications. Now in the second video I'm going to explain you about features of Python and how to install and how to set up. Okay, now and how many modes we are using. Okay, now we have features of Python. Okay, how many features we have. What are the futures means? Futures means how many ways that language is it. Okay, futures of Python means it is a simple language and free and open source and portable, extensible and embedded and high level interpreter language, and it has a large standard libraries to solve common tasks and object oriented. Okay, and here, why it is a simple language means, according to all other languages, first we compile and run. In Python, we will run when we write the code. And free and open source means, yeah, the Python is open source. We can easily freely install and we can distribute the code, and we can also change the source codes. And it is portable. Why? Because we can use in many platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, extensible and embedded. Why it is extensible? C++ and Java are restricted and Python is no restrictions. It is a general purpose language, so it is extensible according to the customer needs. It is a high level language. Why? Because C++ is extension of C and Java is extension of C++ and Python is extension of Java. And why it is interpreted language? Why? Because the language in according to Python we should not compile. It is automatically converts the code into the computer understands. So it is interpreted language. Now coming to the libraries, we have two libraries, mysql db is libraries. They are used to solve the common tasks, and object oriented means everything in Python is an object. By using this object oriented we can solve complex problems. The complex problems can be solved in smaller sets by creating objects, means by creating smaller sets, we by creating smaller objects we can solve complex problems. Now coming to installation, go to the Python website and download Python 3.63 and install now. Then go to the in setup process. Now coming to setup was successful, then close the path. Okay, here setting the method, we have c colon slash python x is a Python path of the Python directory. Now before this we have to go to the right click on my computers and properties advanced and environment variable, then go to variable name should be right path. Okay, variable name should be written as path, variable value should be copy the path. Okay, here are the some few, right click and advanced environment and write path. We have to write path in variable name, we have to copy path in variable value. Okay, now the and the next video we will see the how many ways we can use Python, in how many ways we can start